So guys, let's look at Euro JPY. This is Euro JPY from the monthly perspective. Okay, let me plug my laptop. All right, so let's look at Euro JPY from a monthly perspective. You see the chart, very clean. So how do we start this? This is so sweet. A very big trade is coming here, very massive. What do I see? I see a very clean level here. On the monthly. Can you see what I just marked? It's so simple. What do you see? This is a level of resistance which has broken, and then price is coming to that area to give us a level of support. So simple, bro. Very simple. It's the entry that is the problem, and then the mindset. People are so afraid to take trade. Then what do you see? Ultimate, this one. Like I told you, you don't need to be looking left too much. Don't suffer yourself here. I'm not saying this thing are not significant. They are, but you don't have to be looking at that. Just focus on current market. Just do your service. Just focus on what is happening currently. And that's also what are we expecting this to do? We're expecting this to happen. This is just it. Right to this point. See? It's so simple. And see the ultimate place where price can get to. Right? And you know JPY gives a lot of pips. The JPY pairs, just from here to here, this is 3,000 pips. Just from here to here is 800. Wow. Imagine you hold your trade from here to this point. This is 800 pips. This is 1,004. So that is why there's a course that is coming up on pairs. The pairs we trade in the community are just USD and JPY pairs. Nothing else. So that's why you see me do a top down analysis on Euro USD and this one on Euro JPY. Okay, those are just the plays we do. So having seen this one, what do we do? We move to the next time frame. Simple. This is just 1 to 3 lines. I just mark here 4, 5. These up ones are not the most significant line right now is just this line. So let's go to weekly and see what it presents us. So weekly is getting close, and so you see, so we are getting close to an entry now on Euro JPY. We're about to get an entry. All we just want to see is for price to bounce and reject this level. Okay, price reject this level, we should see some level of consolidation here. Okay, structure breaking, then for price to go here. That's on the lower time frame for sure. Okay, so the thing is we are waiting for price to get here then to make our trading decision. So where can price react? Price can react from here. Price can react from here. Price can decide to come down here. As long as this area is not broken, this place, as long as this place doesn't break, so anything between this place, anything between here and here, price should react from anything here. These are the place. So this thing can actually come down. Right? So this thing can actually come down here before doing this. Because we have another area here too. On the weekly, we have another area here of resistance broken. Okay? which has become support. So are you getting me now? I hope I'm not confusing you too much. So what's the next thing? Let's go down. Let's go down to the next time frame. Which is the daily. Guys, this is so simple. Just pick this thing, just pick this bad boy, pick this trend line. Okay, let's use this one. Let's use this trend line. So what do you see? Daily is making it much more clearer. So you can actually adjust to, see me adjusting it to these levels. Okay, you can actually adjust it. The more you go down, you see where you need to adjust it. So this level has been broken, and wow, this thing really dropped for 3 straight days, kept falling. I mean, I am in one of these trades that is on, but it is USD JPY. USD JPY too is dropping crazy. I am in this trade, and so far almost. I'll drop the screenshot here so you can see. Screenshot is here. Okay, so let's see if price gets down here. Okay, and then we'll have a pullback to this area. Okay, so maybe when we get here we'll see what the price will do, because this is another area that we cannot just overlook. If this price gets here, for example, we'll have to see a pullback to this region. Okay, so it is if price breaks this line. Let me just change this color so that you see what I'm talking about. Is if price breaks this black line now. Sorry, let's use this one. You see this black line now? Is if price breaks it, then we can now say, okay, this thing will retest and then go ahead and then break this and then give us to this level, because this is the ultimate price we are looking at. So from here to here is how many? 1,000 pips. So from here to here, from here to this level is what? 300 pips. You see why I like JPY? The JPY pairs give a lot of pips. Whether 0 JPY, USD JPY, CHF JPY, GBP JPY is the craziest among them. But all the other JPY still give decent amount of money than the USD pairs. Okay, that's why I trade this one instead of gold. The cost is coming, let me not just review everything. So from here to here we have that, right? 300 pips, and then here is what? 800. So this is cool. So are you getting me now? So let's move to the next time frame and then see what we are talking about. Okay, and this is daily. Now let's go to 4 hours. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and see what the market is doing here. So look at it. It's just dropping. Okay, it's dropping to that level. Very important. So price is dropping to this level, as you can see. Simple. Breaking areas of resistance, right? Breaking areas of support. As you can see, support is broken, pull back. So this thing is so simple. Let's go to 1 hour. This thing will be clear on 1 hour. Or let's just do 15 minutes. Let's do 15 minutes. Whoa, so you see that? See the way 15-minute paints it. So price breaks this. You see how simple it is? Look at this area now. Price broke it and just came back there, and then it's coming down. What do we see now? Price breaks here.